In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make perfectly toasted bread in the air fryer. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, ideal for any topping. Here's what you will need. Bread slices of your choice, a small amount of butter of olive oil spray, and of course your air fryer. Optional, a butter knife or brush for spreading. Start by lightly buttering one or both sides of the bread for extra flavour. If you prefer a healthy option, use olive oil spray. This step helps achieve a golden crispy finish. Place the bread slices evenly in the air fryer tray and make sure they're not overlapping to allow even toasting. This step ensures the best results for perfectly golden toast. Carefully place the tray with your bread slices into the air fryer. Make sure it's securely in place, then close the air fryer. Set your air fryer to roughly 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius and adjust the timer to 3 to 4 minutes. These settings will give you golden crispy toast in no time. At the halfway point, check your bread. If you're using a tray that restricts air circulation, flip the slices to ensure they toast evenly on both sides. And here it is, golden, perfectly toasted bread straight from the air fryer, ready to be topped with your favorite spreads or enjoy as is.